Okay, very good morning, everyone, and welcome to the briefing for Friday, the 23rd of June. So as always, first of all, looking at the chart, we see we're over this area of high pressure at the moment, just centered down to the south of us, with these various fronts out to the west. And as we go ahead to this is the midday chart now to midnight tonight, slowly progressing over this way, but they are quite slow moving. And by midday tomorrow, seem to have either passed through or disappeared. You see this weakening warm front here. So it looks like this high pressure is just holding off us getting the majority of these at the moment. Spot winds today, about 15 knots, pretty much down runway 23, saying 220 towards the centre of the country and 240 towards the south coast. Okay. And the sat pic is showing quite a cloudy start, with being a little bit clearer to the south. Probably mostly high level cloud at the moment, but we'll see. Rain radar is just picking up this rain out to the west and to the north, which is probably those fronts. But it's not looking like it's going to get anywhere near us today, although probably will be significant in terms of where it's best to go. As we go into the afternoon, or 2 to 3 o'clock, actually a little bit later, so 3 to 4 o'clock, you see it going over sort of northwest of us, a lot of Wales getting quite wet, but no real risk within our vicinity. Public forecast then shows reasonably nice sunny day with sort of cloudy intervals, with a top temperature of 24 degrees, and that wind from the west-southwest, reasonably light, up to about 13-14 knots. Good visibility and humidity reasonably high at the moment, but reducing. GFS is showing a top temperature of about 23 degrees in our area today, with dew points a little bit higher, around about 14. And the current view outside. Looks like mostly high level cloud at the moment, so not a problem there, although we'll reduce the surface heating quite a lot. That wind looking like it's actually down 2.7 at the moment. Current temperature is 18 degrees with a dew point of 14. And Farmer is not picking up a lot in terms of weather currently, or forecast, just saying few clouds at 4,000 feet, and 7 knots of wind saying from the west. So your potential flight distance for the day for an 18-meter glider is there. See, really actually quite good in this area, and best actually going to the east into the TMA. But it looks like a sort of smallish task area up to Oxford, and maybe down towards the south coast, but probably sea breezing later on. Looking at thermal status, 10 o'clock, 11. So it's been rather slow today. Showing blue thermals actually to 3,000 feet by 11 o'clock. And by, this is 2 p.m., the chance of cumulus is showing a few little bits around some in the Lasham area, potentially quite high, potentially to 4,500, 5,000 feet, according to this. And looks like it'll be going reasonably late, likely staying blue in places. It looks like that's going really until about 6, 7 o'clock. So it could be quite a nice day just in this area, not too far out. Okay, no temps today. There are a few to affect. North of Lasham, 24. Not going to affect us too much, an equestrian event. Out to the west, 22. High intensity radio transmissions, again, not too much of a problem. But these ones up to the northwest of us. So there is a temporary CTA around about Bryce Norton area. I'll just get that up here. So here, it's no telling exactly the coordinates of this, but 4,000 to flight level 105 around the Bryce Norton area, the sort of north, and sticking out to the southeast a little bit. So if you're going up to sort of Oxford area, be careful to stay sort of further afield from Bryce and Kemble as well. No, that's pretty much it for the NOTAMs. There's not much else to affect in the direction we're going to be going today. So operationally, despite it being on down 2-3. It's quite light, so we're going to set up on 2-7. Launch point in the normal position. With the cables going down the south side, just like that. Likely we'll need a little bit of correction on the winch launches to the south, and aerotang will be off the north side as normal. If there's lots of you, then please grid in the normal position, although I don't think it's going to be quite as busy as yesterday. A few other things operationally, they're going to be doing a compass swing on G Sward this morning, around about now, but will be done by 10 o'clock. That'll be on the end of the runway. So that will restrict winch launching and aerotang off the runway until at least 10, which is unlikely to delay us too much. If anyone wants an aerotang before that, we can do that off the north side grass. We've got 727 arriving at supposedly 11:45, and a Navajo, I think it is, about 10:15. But that's pretty much it. We've had a few things this morning, but they will finish. So should be quite a nice day. See you out on the airfield. Bye for now.